How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be changing out the door handle on the Golf 4. As you can see, it's kind of damaged. Okay, first up, you're going to want to remove this inner handle. Put your screwdriver in, pull it out, and just take that out. Right, so you're going to pick it up, unclip that, right, then 1, 2, 3 screws, unscrew, 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 right. And as you can see, all the clips are broken. I don't understand how, and they all got stuck in here, so I just need to get a plier and pull that out. So we got this new one here. They had that irritating soft touch VW material. We just cleaned that out, and as you can see, all the clips are still fine here. We're going to be installing this now. Alright, so you just want to place it back in like how you took it out. Right, screwdriver, get it lined up. So once you got the switches installed, you just plug back on, push it back in. Everything should clip back in, and get the thing for the back, and that's it. Not shaking anymore.